Learn grammar through stories. A few apples and a lot of fun. Let's begin. Lena and her friends planned a picnic by the lake. "I've packed some sandwiches," said Lena. "I brought a few apples," said Raj. Maya looked worried. "I only brought one bottle of water. I think we need a lot more drinks." When they arrived at the lake, they noticed something odd. "There are a lot of ducks here," said Raj, tossing them a few crumbs. "Oh no," Lena groaned. "There aren't many napkins in the bag, and there's not much juice left either," Maya added. Suddenly the wind blew and some plates flew into the lake. They all laughed. "Well," said Lena, "we may not have much food, but we've got a lot of fun." Let's look at some of the ways quantifiers are used. We use quantifiers to talk about the amount or number of something. Countable nouns. Example, apples, sandwiches, people. We say a few apples, some napkins, not many ducks, and lots of or a lot of sandwiches. Next, uncountable nouns. Example, juice, water, fun. We say some juice, not much water, a lot of fun, and not much noise. Next, some is used for positive sentences. I brought some apples. Not many or not much are used for negatives. Example, there aren't many plates. There isn't much juice. A few or a little means a small quantity but enough. We say, I have a few friends. Countable. We have a little time. Uncountable. Next, a lot of or lots of means a large quantity. There are a lot of ducks. We had lots of fun.